And welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to show you exactly how to launch an element position movement A/B test using the CausalFunnel A/B test and landing page tool app. This feature lets you move any element on your store, like a button or a block, and test whether a new position will improve your conversion rate. To get started, we're going to go into our Shopify Min account, go to Apps, and then we're going to click CausalFunnel A/B test. And inside the app, once it opens in the A/B test tab, we're going to click Launch an A/B test to create a new experiment. The first step is to collect all the basic information about your test. Here you enter your test name, you add a short description, and you get to choose your test goals. This is really helpful later on when you're comparing your results or if you end up running multiple tests at once. Once everything is filled in, go ahead and click Continue there at the bottom. Next, we're going to move into an important part. This is how you configure the element test. This type of test is different from a usual A/B test because here you're testing where an element performs best, not just what it looks like. You'll configure three different things. First, the element you want to move, the container you want to move it into, and the position. Start by selecting the element type, and if you're testing a button, choose the button element. If you're testing another component, select the matching options and then click Continue. Now that we've configured the details of the element itself, this step has three parts. Now we're going to begin with identifying the element and the page it's on. So we've entered the element name, like Add to Cart button, and we've pasted the URL where the element exists. This helps the app load the correct page for the selector finder. To accurately target the element, we need to add the CSS selector. That's what we're doing right here. If you know the selector, you can paste it directly. If not, click Find Selector. This opens the page in a new tab, and the script highlights all the matching elements, such as buttons, and hovers over the one you want to move to click it. This system instantly shows the CSS selector. Click Copy and Use Selector, and then go back to Test Editor and paste the selection into the field. When that's done, click Continue. Next, we're going to define the container where you want the element to move. This tells the system the exact location on the page. Enter the target container name and paste the CSS selector. If you're unsure what the selector is, click the Find Container. This system highlights all containers on that page. Then we're going to choose the container that you want to copy the selector it generates, and paste it back in the editor. Now we're going to choose the position method. To choose how you want the element to insert into that container, you have four different options. Insert as a first child puts the element at the top of the container. Insert as a last child places it at the bottom. Insert before the last container places it above, and insert after the last container places it directly below. Select whichever option matches your current testing strategy. Before finalizing anything, click Preview Changes. This loads your page with two clear highlights. We're going to see all the original elements in red and the new position here in green. If the placement doesn't look right to you, all you need to do is go back and adjust your selector or the position, and then once you're happy with it, hit Apply Position Changes and then continue to the settings screen. Next, you need to configure your test settings. These work the same as all other CausalFunnel A/B tests. You can keep track of configuration or adjust the traffic split, device targeting, or other toggles. When finished, make sure you click Continue. On the summary page, you'll see everything that you've selected from the URL name, page URL, CSS selectors, position methods, target container, and if everything looks correct, scroll down and hit Launch Test. Your element position A/B test is now live. Before you view your test on your storefront, make sure to clear all your cookies or to go into incognito mode. Then open the same page URL again. If your session has been placed in the variant group, you'll see the element appear in its new position, moved dynamically by the CausalFunnel script. To view performance, return to the app and open the A/B test section. Click View Results and see Analytics. From here, you can pause the test, resume it, or completely delete it. And that is how you launch an element position movement A/B test inside the CausalFunnel app. Thanks for watching, and check out our next tutorial for more optimization tools. Bye!